With the arrival of 5G, some of the developed countries have seen a massive change in the communication sector. From 2G to 5G, the communication has sure come a long way. With the advancement of communication, the 5G technology has a lot to offer, like faster connectivity, higher capacity, lower latency and better coverage. The influence of 5G can be seen in different sectors like mobile devices, automotive industry, Internet of Things, IoT, networking and cloud computing. What is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is the latest wireless network, followed by 4G, and has the best service in its offer. It promises to take over the most complex sectors in the global industry and is sure to take over the fields of machines and devices. The 5G technology is designed in such a way that it has the ability to provide high-speed connectivity and can handle higher volumes of data without the problem of lagging while doing all of these functions. All of these qualities prove that 5G is here to make a revolutionary change in the communication sector. Here are some features of 5G which make it the newest thing to look out for in the market. Faster connectivity. There was a time when a 2G user would have to wait for a couple of minutes to log on to Facebook. The same thing takes a couple of seconds to be done today by using 4G. With 5G in the future, it would merely take a second, as the speed of 5G is 10 Gbps, which is 10 gigabytes per second. The high-speed connectivity enables the users to have the world in their palms. Higher capacity. 5G is an integrated technology which can be used across all spheres like broadband connectivity and give a world-class user experience in augmented reality, virtual reality and so on. 5G can also be used in critical mission communications like defense, critical infrastructure and medical care. Lower latency. The best lower latency is provided by 5G, which makes it the best network. Lower latency is the time taken or time delay that is taken by a computer or a device to process the given data over network connectivity. Better coverage. The coverage provided by 5G is massive, as it promises to give a standard service across different aspects like connectivity, security, and automobile and so on. All these sectors have new updates and advancement within a short time span, thereby increasing its efficiency and so on. Importance of 5G for companies. 5G in mobile technology. 5G, when used by mobile users, provides a number of advantages like long battery life, lowest latency, high mobility, and higher capacity to perform a number of functions at the same time, reliability and security. All these features of 5G make it the best wireless technology to be used in mobile devices. This is the major reason mobile manufacturing companies are shifting towards the making and selling 5G supported devices. 5G in automotive industry. Automation has enabled for driverless driving in cars. China has already rolled out the driverless navigation of cars with the help of 5G, as it enables the system in the automobiles to understand the commands given by the connection provided by 5G from a remote place. 5G and Internet of Things, IoT. 5G and Internet of Things, IoT, can be called a match made in heaven, as each, when combined, has a platter to offer. IoT has no human interaction, as it has the ability to work and give the output on its own. It's an entirely different spectrum that is interlinked across various numbers of devices with one single connection. 5G in networking. 5G has the ability to improve the present networking, as it can improve the ways in which a user interacts on a regular basis. The dramatic transition from an LTE network to the latest 5G would also change the way how companies provide their services of 5G in a broader and better perspective, especially in the metropolitan areas. 5G in cloud computing. Machine-to-machine communication with the help of 5G connectivity would become easier in the days to come, as users will have access to machines via virtual communication through their mobile devices. This is another reason why cloud computing focuses on giving the best service to its customers with the help of 5G technology. 5G technology would bring major changes in almost every field of internet, communication and technology. With the faster connectivity and lower latency, it has the best quality service to offer to the consumers, which directly has an impact on the companies that deal with the communication technology. The diverse area catered by 5G makes it the potential leader of the future.